Hey guys, it's Maureen. So today we're making some mince and pasta. I'm gonna show you how I made the mince and the pasta, of course, and how I mixed everything together. So we're going to start with the mince. Just put it in your pot and some crushed garlic. So at this point you want to separate your mince because it wasn't fully defrosted. So I was just using my cooking spoon to separate it. There's some spoon that is used for this. I need to find it. So I added my spices, steak and chops, turmeric and beef cube. So the thing with spices, you can add what you have. You just have to know that is this a beef spice or a chicken spice, or is this a general spice? Is it just giving aroma and stuff? So this is why you see me using different spices for like different dishes. I got to use my frozen tomatoes, guys, and I also have some broccoli, some cherry tomatoes. Anyway, so I didn't want to cut tomatoes, so I just took that whole chunk. It wasn't I didn't defrost it, so don't come at me. I'm gonna cook it. But after some time it had cooked down, as you can see. So I just mixed everything together and it works perfectly fine. As you can see, at this point I added some gravy powder because I wanted it to be like, nice and thick, and then I added some water and I ordered my homemade tomato paste. If you guys have not watched how I made this tomato puree, rush to YouTube because I do have the recipe there. So I also added some green onion to just give it some color and a little bit of flavor. Right now I've started putting salt after I'm done cooking because most of the spices do have salt, especially like the steak and chops and the cubes, they have salt in them. So usually nowadays I add salt at the end when I see that it needs that extra salt. But at this point my mince was done. It tasted amazing. I loved it. I moved on to cook my pasta. Apparently my husband thinks this pasta tastes better than spaghetti, but I was telling him it's the same. So guys, can you comment in the comment section, goodie, it's just the shape that's different? Or do you also feel like him? Anyway, at this point I mixed everything together. So the people at my house love it juicy. That's why I need it to be like runny, because after some time it's gonna get hard and stuff. But it was a very nice dish. This was me just plating, making it presentable. I love doing that. We did have some tomato salad to go with it, so I just put some just to make the plate colorful, presentation wise. So the dish was ready. I'm sure you can also make it as beautiful as this and as yummy as this. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for more. Bye bye.